the time for we to make our fish, to prepare them down. They are going to oven. Yeah. Abby is back to the kitchen, to the G, to the G, to the K, to the K, to the G, to the K. Yeah. So let's do it this way. I bought salmon, and this salmon, it is already marinated. Man, it has already been marinated. No need to do anything. Yeah, it's just for me to put it. No, this is another fish. Oh God, this is another fish, guys. That's why I want to use it for rice. I want to use it for rice. So yeah, this is salmon. Okay, see. Ooh, wow. I'm just trying to be careful so that this is the salmon. It is already marinated. I got 4. You can see this one is ready. Okay, now I'm going to put it inside the oven. Straight to the oven to stay here to cool down. I'm not going to do anything. Then I have another fish again, which is, this one is it branzino or spigola? Orato or branzino? So this one is another fish. I'm putting oil at the bottom of my pan. Okay. Okay, they have already been marinated. Everything is done already. I bought stiri. I bought stiri Brazil. Okay. Let me put it inside here. All right. Okay. So this is how it will be cooked. This one is ready too. I'll put it inside the oven.